Hey guys, it's Russia and welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to do a twist out on my hair, and I thought it would be really fun to share with you all how I do it, as well as show you all some new products that I've been recently trying out. So let's get into it. So because I already have a curly hair routine on my channel, we're going to jump right into deep conditioning. So today I'm going to be using the TGIN Honey Miracle Hair Mask, and I'm going to be sectioning off my hair to make sure that I get all of the product evenly distributed. So now that the hair mask is thoroughly through my hair, I'm going to get out of the shower and put on a shower cap, or as you guys can see in this video, I'm putting on a plastic bag because I don't have any more shower caps. And then I'm going to put the deep conditioning heat cap on top to seal in the moisture, and I usually like to keep this on for about 15 to 20 minutes. So my deep conditioner is rinsed out and I just got out of the shower. I'm going to take my hair out and get it ready for the twist. So I'm sectioning my hair off just to make sure that I'm able to work with smaller sections. And I'm going to first go in with the My-El Moisture RX Hawaiian Ginger Moisturizing Leave-In Conditioner. And then for my sealant, I'm going to be using the Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink Flaxseed Elongating Curling Gel. So I'm going to obviously start off by putting on the leave-in conditioner first, and then I'm going to put on the gel on top. Then I'm going to start by two-strand twisting my hair, and when I get towards the bottom, I'm going to wrap the hair around my finger to sort of shingle curl it per se, or some people like to call it a finger coil. I like to do this to just make sure that the ends are really sealed and defined, because I don't want the top of my hair to be really nice and defined and then the bottoms to just be scraggly. So that's just a little tip for you guys. So now I'm just going to be continuing the twist all over my hair. As you guys can see, I go in with small sections. This just helps with the drying time so that I'm not having to wait for my hair to dry overnight. Just do the same technique that I did in the first twist. I do the two-strand twist with the shingle at the end just to ensure that my twist out comes out really nice and defined. And I really do feel like the products that I'm using are really helping with the moisture and making sure that my hair is shiny when it's done. I told you that I loved you. One more time, one more time, one more time. I should have told you. Okay, so now that the last twist is done, I'm going to let my hair air dry. And as you guys can see from the clip, I was so hyped that my hair looked really nice. I love the way that the products made my hair look. It just looks so hydrated and moisturized and really shiny. And I was just so excited to take it out. So fast forward to 10 hours later, I'm taking out my twist now, and I'm using a little bit of coconut oil on my hands to give it a bit of slip when taking out the twist. A big tip that I have is to take out your twist really slowly. I would really just be delicate and make sure that you're not tugging or pulling at anything to ensure that your curls stay intact and that you have as much definition as possible. And when I was taking out my hair, I was just so excited and happy because it came out so beautiful and the curls are really defined and shiny and just not crunchy at all. I was a bit scared using a gel as the sealant because I didn't want my hair to come out crunchy or hard or have any buildup of product, but that did not happen at all with the Aunt Jackie's gel, so I would definitely recommend that. And I think the moisturizing leave-in conditioner really gave my hair an amazing base to work off of and really ensured that my hair was thoroughly moisturized as well as shiny. So the last step in this twist out is to just fluff out my curls and give my hair a little bit more of volume and not too much definition. So I do want to make sure that I keep the definition that I created, but I also want to bring more volume back to my hair so that it doesn't look really flat. And I did end up flipping my hair over to shake it out and give it more volume, which I don't really like because I kind of get a headache from that, but I think that when I flipped it over, it gave it a little bit more volume and it ended up looking really nice. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed that video, and if you guys want me to do any more hair videos, make sure to leave a comment down below. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one.
You're the only one that saves me when I'm alone. You're the only love that I've ever known. But we turn into a flower that never grows.